We are at the NCM Motorsports Park here in Bowling Green. We came for cars and coffee, but there's a Porsche event, so we're going to go check it out. We're taking you guys with us, a little racing, all that action. Let's go check out these sweet Porsches.
I bought it last year with 4.
Nice.
And I put 4,000 on it since I got it, but most of them are track miles. So,
wow! I've been in one.
So it's got Alcantara interior, carbon fiber seats,
Heck
roll
yeah.
cage, harnesses, you know, fire extinguisher.
It's a beauty.
Thank you. Dream car.
Yeah. Looks good, man. I'll look for you out there.
Thank you. Enjoy yourself.
Yes,
okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, I'll look you up.
All right, cool. Thank you, man. All right, guys, this is about to be a cool event. I just have a feeling. Hope you're excited for this video. I'm gonna pull up the camcorder pretty soon. I'm gonna do a walk around to start. Check out the rides, then we'll go see them race. I love the wraps like this. Not knowing it looks like a piece of junk, but you'd be shocked. So there's about 13 Porsche clubs here at this event. Guys said it was one of the biggest events. People come from all over. The best of the best are here. And that's what we're about to see. Some Corvettes. I like that wing. Probably my favorite year Porsche right here. This is beautiful. Alright, I don't know about you guys. I'm getting excited to watch the racing. I'm gonna finish up with these real quick. Grab the camcorder and get you some racing content. Alright guys, about to watch some racing action, but before that, if you like this type of stuff, hit a like and consider subscribing. We're trying to get to 25,000 by the end of the year. We need your help, and it helps us go to events like this. If you want to see more action sports, comment below. Let me know what kind of racing you want to see. We'll bring that action to you guys into the racing. Okay, we're going upstairs. Second floor. Let's go see what this is all about. All right. Oh, this is cool.
Like you're good anyway.
guys, well, what'd you think? We're still gonna find a better spot, but next time we're gonna reach out to them, see if we can get some media passes so we can be up close and personal filming. So hit that like if you wanna see that type of stuff. Back in to find another spot. This has gotta be my favorite. Oh, there's another. There's more lookout towers, guys. Nobody worry. We'll get a better location for you guys. A little tour of there's a pavilion for the people. There's garages. Pretty sure they do food and stuff here. And there's all the action. Here's the garages right here for the people working on their cars, change tires, do all that stuff. Turned out to be a beautiful day today. Check out the merch they have. These are cool. 55 bucks, not bad for a hoodie. Got some shirts. Some zip ups. What's the price on these? $49. Pretty good deals. This is the lobby here. Make sure to check out the lobby and grab some merch. All right, you guys, what an amazing time at the NCM Motorsports. We'll definitely be back watching some races. We're going to work on some media passes and stuff like that so we can get up close and get some better shots for you guys and footage. Check out a video on the left and the right, and we are headed to the Corvette Museum, so make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell notification to get notified when we post that video. We'll see you next time.